Okay, so here's the way the oil filter wrench works. So here's your oil filter, and you'll take this belt and you're basically going to wrap it around the oil filter, and then it comes back and goes back into the tool like this. Okay, so now as you tighten it by just pulling on the strap, you'll see how it gets tighter and tighter. And so now when you go to turn this, it'll tighten up and it'll grab the filter and twist it. Okay, so you want to make sure you're going the right way though, because this is going from the bottom, and so this would be tightening it. So you would want to make sure that it's on this way. Slide it on, make sure that that's in there, and then as you pull down on it, it will twist it. And so that is how you're counterclockwise twisting the oil filter back off. Okay, so it's all about tightening this belt up and putting it in that groove, and then as you twist it, it'll take the filter off. Now do not use this to put the filter on. These should only go on hand tight, and that's it. So once you get this as snug as you can get it by hand, that's it. Do not use the wrench to put the filter on. Okay, so here's the oil filter wrench on there. You can make sure you're going the right way, and you'll see you can twist it that way, and it puts the tension on it, so you can see we're moving the oil filter counterclockwise as we're doing. So thanks for watching, and just remember, do not use the oil filter wrench to put the filter on. It should only be hand tight as you're tightening it down. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.